Welcome to AI Time Machine, where we analyze today's tech to reveal how outdated it will seem just 5 years from now. Look at this flagship smartphone from 2025. Impressive, right? The sleek design, powerful processor, and camera that costs over $1,000. By 2030, we'll view these devices the same way we now look at flip phones, with amused nostalgia. Physical smartphones will likely be replaced by wearable systems. Lightweight AR glasses paired with neural wristbands that capture subtle muscle movements. That 4K screen? Projected directly onto your retina through micro-LEDs in everyday glasses. Those hours spent staring at your phone? Distributed through ambient computing, so natural you'll forget technology is even there. The most shocking prediction? Opening an app will seem as outdated as inserting a floppy disk. The smart home of 2025 isn't actually smart. We have dozens of devices that barely communicate with each other. Smart speakers, thermostats, lights, all requiring separate apps, accounts, and constant troubleshooting. By 2030, these systems will consolidate into biological-inspired networks. Your walls won't just support your ceiling, they'll function as interfaces responding to your presence and needs without commands. No more "Hey device, turn on lights." Your environment will read your intention through micro-expressions and biometric data. Your home will learn patterns and anticipate needs. Walking toward your kitchen in the morning? Coffee already brewing. Feeling stressed? Lighting and music adjust automatically. In 2025, we're impressed by unlimited cloud storage. But our analysis reveals a humbling truth. Quantum memory crystals will make our storage solutions look primitive. A crystal the size of your fingernail could contain the entire internet of 2025. The real transformation isn't capacity, it's access. Future technology won't distinguish between your data and the cloud. Information will exist in both states. Accessible instantaneously regardless of location. Saving a file will seem as archaic as memorizing phone numbers. Every modification will be automatically preserved in a timeline accessed with a simple gesture. Our AI assistants in 2025 are glorified search engines with personality disorders. They follow rigid command response patterns and frequently misunderstand context. By 2030, AI will evolve into collaborative intelligence that learns alongside you. Not an assistant, but a companion that develops with your journey. These systems won't just answer questions, they'll ask the right ones, challenging your thinking in ways no human mentor could consistently achieve. They'll understand the emotional context behind your requests, adapting to your specific communication style over time. The most striking prediction isn't about technology, but about us. We will adapt to these advancements so completely that using today's cutting-edge technology will feel as foreign as dialing a rotary phone. Before you drop another $1,000 on the latest gadget, ask yourself, am I investing in the future, or buying tomorrow's technological antique? If these predictions fascinate you, hit subscribe to join us next week when we put electric vehicles into the AI time machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.